In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log your period flow in the Clue app calendar. Let's get started by opening the Clue app on your device. When the app loads, you should land on the main tracking screen, which is the hub for logging your cycle information. If you've used Clue before, this will look familiar. It's where you typically add daily details about your period and other cycle-related data. Take a moment to let the screen fully load so everything is responsive. Next, tap Calendar below. This brings up a month-by-month view of your cycle, making it easy to see past and upcoming days at a glance. The calendar is especially helpful for spotting patterns or confirming exactly which days you want to log. If you need to move between months, use the on-screen navigation arrows to go forward or back. Now select the specific days you want to record. You can tap a single day if you're logging today, or tap multiple days if you're catching up on recent dates. Selected days will highlight so you can double-check you've chosen the right ones. If you accidentally select the wrong day, tap it again to deselect before moving on. With your days selected, tap Track. This opens the tracking options for those dates. You're now in the right place to record your period details without leaving the calendar view, which keeps everything streamlined and consistent. Under the period category, choose the flow level that best matches your experience for the selected day or days. You'll see options for light, medium, heavy, and super heavy. As a quick guide, light often covers spotting or very minimal flow. Medium fits a typical day for many people. Heavy is for days requiring more frequent changes, and super heavy is for the heaviest days. Pick the level that reflects your day as accurately as possible so your cycle trends and predictions can stay reliable. Once you've made your selection, tap the Save button to confirm your entries. You should see your choices applied to the days you selected, and the calendar will update accordingly. If you notice anything that needs adjusting, simply return to the same day, choose the correct flow level, and save again. Clue will keep the most recent entry. That's it. By opening the Clue app, heading to the calendar, selecting your days, tapping Track, choosing your flow level, and saving, you're keeping your period data accurate and up to date. Consistent logging helps Clue provide better insights and more precise predictions over time, so make this a quick habit whenever your period starts or changes.